What up, YouTube? Today's going to be chest bicep day. We're going to start it off with abs though, and then we'll jump into chest and biceps, and then we'll finish with calves. All right, we're doing 75 pounds on this. It's pretty heavy. Here we go. Seats off. Oh yeah. 3, 4. Here we go. All right, 10. Last week I did 8 reps at 45. We're going to stick with 45 and just try to beat 8. Let's see how we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Word. Whew. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 8. Normally I do cable flies, but the cables are being used right now, so I'm gonna do the pec deck. So we'll do this superset right into a machine press. So on these, I actually will put my butt a little bit more forward so I get a better shoulder blades back. So instead of me being leaning forward, I'll scoop my butt a little bit off here. It's been a minute since I've done this machine, so we'll see how we do. All right, we'll jump into it. So it might have been 10 seconds since I've done the flies. I'm gonna jump into this. Oh, definitely exhausted them. So normally if I rested a bunch, I'd be able to do a good amount of reps. But on this, we're just trying to hit failure. Whew. Y'all, my chest is on fire from that superset. All right, so last week I did 40 for 8. So we're gonna move up to 45 for preacher curl. Let's see how it feels. And we're gonna do some negatives. All right. We did 7 plus 2 negatives. Gonna repeat that for the left arm. Okay. Last Monday I did 15 reps, 205. But on Friday, I did a static hold. So we're gonna see if Saturday, Sunday was enough rest days to recover to be able to do more than 15 after doing those static holds. I will say, when you're just repping out calves, there's a lot of lactic acid and it burns, but you might not be hitting muscle failure. It's more the ligaments gassing out before the muscle. So that static hold definitely felt like I hit muscle failure if I just squeezing at the top until I couldn't anymore. But and I definitely felt the next day that they had grown. But we're gonna see if we can beat 15 now. Here we go. All right, we did 20, but again, all of this is burning. This doesn't feel like it's hit failure. So I'm gonna let all this get flushed out. And I'm probably gonna do one static hold to failure at the same weight. And then we'll be done with calves. All right. Yeah, I feel like I get way more out of the static hold than just repping it. But we'll see. I definitely feel like they've been growing. They used to be a weak point. I'm trying to turn them into a strength. So we'll see. They're definitely hawked at the moment. All right, so final exercise today is going to be a hammer curl. I notice that right arm is a little bit bigger than the left on the brachialis. So what we're going to do is left arm first. And I'm going to go a little bit lighter and just do nice slow version of it. I can go pretty heavy with it, but I'm going to go nice and slow. All right. Totally lost count. On this one, I'm just not going to do as many. All right. Yeah. Chest looking really good. Lower the camera so you see legs too. So it looks like thighs are still the last part for fat to leave. But y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.